Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 3rd Maths, exercise 8.1. Yes students, and exercise 8.1, I had explained you what is given in exercise 8.1. Question number A also we have solved. So now students, we are going to question number B. So now students, see, color 1/2 or 1/2 of each shape. So 1/2 means 1 times half part means 1/2. So the 1/2 and 1/2 is same of each shape. So out of this shapes 4 I have written for you, 1, 4, 5 and 8. Many questions are there. After understanding this question you can solve the rest. So see students, 1/2 or half if it is given of any number means we have to count the shapes in how many parts they are divided into. So after finding that how many parts are there in each shape, we can divide the given shape, the parts of that given shape by 2. Okay, because 1/2 is total number you will write here and divided by 2 when we will do. After then we can get that final answer. Means color 1/2 or half of each shape. So see students, 1 and 2 in this circle, the circle is divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, and all the shapes which is given in question B, C, D, all the shapes are divided into equal parts. Means if we are watching this shape, all the parts will be of equal size. So all the shapes are divided into equal parts. So half of each shape. Half of each shape means we will divide the given shape, the parts of the given shape by 2. So see students, 2 parts are there. So 2 divided by 2, or you can write in fraction and divide students 2 by 2. So 2 ones are and 2 ones are means only 1. 1 by 1 means 1 part. So 1 part is the half part of 2 parts. So 1 part we have to shed here. We can color. Okay. So question is color 1/2. You can use pencil colors to color it after drawing in your notebook. Okay students, so now see question number 4, 1 and 2. Here also 2 parts are there, 1 and 2. So here also 2 by 2. So answer is 1. So one part, any one part we can color. Now moving to next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now what we can do students, we can write here 8 by 2. 8 is the total number of parts here in question 5 and we have to do in half parts. So we will divide. Whenever it is asked half portion of any number, you can divide it by 2. Okay. So 8 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So 4 is the answer. This is called division. 2 ones are 2. We are reading the table of 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So 4 is the answer. 4 by 1. 4 by 1 means 4. So students, 4 parts are half part of 8 parts. So 4 we can shed either in continuous way or we can take alternate. So 1, 2, 3 and this one is 4. Now you can check students, 1, 2, 3, 4. I had shaded and 1, 2, 3, 4 is blank. So in this way we can say half part I had color or I had shaded. Now see students, 8th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. 3 by 1 is equal to 3. Why 3 by 1 is equal to 3? Because if whole number is 3, we are writing in fraction 3 by 1. So 3 by 1 is equal to 3 and 3 is equal to 3 by 1. So answer is our 3. So 3 parts we can color. So 1, you can color it continue. I am coloring it by leaving 1 so that it will be visible. Okay. So you can see like this. So 1, 2 and 3 are colored. 1, 2 and 3 are uncolored. Equal parts are there. So now by watching this we can say that half portion of these 4 shapes we have colored and half portions we have left because question was 1 by 2 or 1/2. Okay students, so in this way 4 questions I had solved for you, rest 4 you can solve. shape. Here it is asked 1/3 and 1/3. So both the meanings are same. Either you can say 1/3 of any shape or 1/3 of any shape. So if any shape is given, you have to divide by 3, and after dividing by 3 we can get the 1/3 part of that particular shape. Means here as we have done divided by 2, we have got the half part, but here after dividing it by 3 we will get the 1/3 of it. So simply students, divided by 3. So you can see 1, 2 and 3. So 3 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. Means 1 by 1 is 1. So only one part we will color, the rest we will leave. So I am coloring the middle. You can color any one of them because 3 are there. So 1 is shaded. This is 1/3 of 1, 2, 3. As we are writing 1/3. So 1 is colored and 3, total 1, 2 and 3. Understand like that. 3 is the denominator. 3 portions are there. 1, 2 and 3. 3 parts are there. 1 is written means 1 is only colored. Okay, or you can say 1 is only shaded portion. Now moving to question 4. 1, 2, 3. Here also 3. 3 is there means we can color only one part. So this will be 1/3 of it. Here also 3 are there. So same, only one we will color. So this will be the 1/3 of it. But here see students, question 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is there. We will divide it by 3 because we want the 1/3 of it. So simply student, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Okay. So 2 by 1 we have written here is equal to 2 because 1 is in denominator. If 1 is in numerator, you cannot write 1 by 2 as 2. 2 by 1 is there, you can write 2 by 1 as 2. So simply 2 students we have to color only 2. So I am coloring this one and this one 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 left and 1 and 2 colored. This means 2 parts out of 6 part is the 1/3 of total 6 parts. Okay. So now moving to question number D. Here it is given color 1/4 or 1/4 of each shape. Means 1/4 spelling is given and 1/4. So both are same. 1/4 is told as 1/4. Now students, out of that complete portion we have to shed only one part out of 4 parts. Means we can divide the numbers by 4. So see students, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there and we want to divide it by 4 because we want 1/4 of it. So simply students, 4 ones are 4 ones are. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So if 4 parts are given of any shape and we want 1/4 of it, so we will color only one part. 1 is the answer. So you can color any one. So this shaded part is called the 1/4 of complete portion that are having 4 parts. Okay. So now students, you can see question 1, 4, 5 and 8. All are having or we can say all are divided into 4 equal parts only. So simply out of 4 if we are coloring 1, it is 1/4. So simply you can color any one of that all shapes of that part. So this is done. Any one of this also because 4 parts are given. Here also any one you can color. So now students, this will be called as 1/4 of each shape. Here we have learned half part means you can divide the total number of parts by 2. Here 1/3 means you can divide the number of the total parts by 3. Here 1/4 means you can divide the total number by 4. Simply here 2 is in denominator, divide by 2. 3 is in denominator, divide by 3. And here 4 is in denominator, you have to divide by 4. 1/2, 1/3 and 1/4. So this is the meaning of this all fractions. So students, I hope 8.1 exercise number you can solve by yourself by watching this video. Thank you for watching.